real nice one here. 4,500 original miles. I'll get it started while it's not pouring fucking rain out. It's ice cold. Give this thing some choke. Turn the key on. Bike had been stored in a shed for 20 years and not run. When we got it, took the whole motor out, all the sheet metal out, pulled the whole top end off, went right through the top end. It was super clean in there, just needed to be, cleaned, all new gaskets. Still got the factory tires, all the sheet metal was cut and buffed 3 times. Rebuilt the brakes, calipers and master cylinders, rebuilt the carburetor, new exhaust gaskets obviously. New battery, went through the clutch. Really just a nice stock 4,500 mile bike. Again, original tires, Goodyears. Just a real sweetheart of my bike. All the money and time has been spent already. All the lights work, blinkers obviously, the dummy lights, everything works great. It's not smoking, it's just, freezing cold since I'm home from Florida, back in the great white north. 4,500 mile, 4,700 mile bike.